So we're going to do some very quick tutorials. 3 stalks. You can see I've drawn some there. I'm not sitting to them now, it's just so that you know you can draw. And then just come round it, a little dip, 2, 3. And you can go round it and echo it if you so wish. So for a background, you would just continue from there and come the other way. 1, 2, and 3. Come around again. Does not matter if you don't hit the lines. Just take your time and come around. And again here. 1, 2, 3. Do it slowly, don't do it fast. Now you can see we've started in the middle and we've ended up with quite a nice big flower. But to continue on your background, just choose one of the openings and go round it. I call these pansies. 1, 2, 3. And just keep building up from there. You do not have to echo, that is your own choice. And we just keep going round. Till we fill the background in. And if you want to go round corners, just put them round a corner. Make them smaller, make them bigger. That choice is yours to do, and you get a different look with each one you do. It's a good background filler. Now we're going to come and show you how to put that into a border. One coming up from one way, around it, fill your border. I would echo these ones. And as you can see, the next one I've got is up there. So you can either continue along and do this one and then turn it round, or you can double up on your one, and because you've hit that line up there, come along your line. Be a little bit fancy if you want. And again echo it. And just keep going along. And we know we've got this one here. If you're confident enough, you can come down like that. And you've come along. So you can use this in a border, in sashing, anywhere really. We'll echo that. And you just keep going along your border. Now to finish off, I want to show you how you can do it as a spread out background one. So bring up your nice stems, do 3 or 4, doesn't really matter. Come around, take it up here, curl it round a bit, echo it a bit, come around again, and so on. You just keep going in between to where you want to go and put another one. From there you can see you have a border, a complete background and an intermittent background to spread it out more, to go in between. It is very, very, very versatile. So I hope you'll give this a go